Welcome back. Today it's rhetorical synthesis, the expression of ideas questions that hand you a list of bullet point notes and a goal. Then ask which sentence best uses the notes to hit that goal. Students lose these by grabbing whatever choice sounds true. But true is not the test here. On goal is the test. I run the same 3 checks every time, and we'll work 5 together. An easy warm-up first, and 2 real traps to finish. Here's the whole method. Check 1, lock the goal. Ignore the notes and the choices and read only the sentence that begins "the student wants to." The verb is the entire job. Check 2, list the must-haves. Turn that goal into the 1 or 2 things a right answer has to contain. Name both subjects, state a contrast, define the term, whatever the goal demands. Check 3, match and cut. Keep the single choice that has every must-have and cut the rest, especially the true but off-goal traps that quote the notes correctly while doing the wrong job. Question 1, our warm-up. Check 1, lock the goal. The student wants to emphasize a difference between how the 2 species protect their eggs, so the job is a difference, and it has to be about protecting eggs. Check 2, list the must-haves. A right answer has to name both penguins and contrast what they do with their eggs. From the notes, emperors balance the egg on their feet, and adelies use stone nests. That's my prediction, feet versus stones. Now match and cut. B says both species breed in Antarctica. That's a similarity, not a difference, and it's about location, not eggs. Set it aside. C does give a difference, but it contrasts breeding seasons, winter versus summer, the wrong attribute. Cross it out. D describes only the Adelie penguin with no contrast at all. Knock it out. A puts the feet against the stones, both species, the egg protection difference, exactly the goal. That's A. A wins because it carries every must-have, both penguins and the specific difference the goal asked for, how they protect their eggs. The trap was C, a real difference, straight from the notes, but about the wrong thing. On goal beats merely true. Question 2. Lock the goal first. The student wants to introduce tardigrades to an audience that isn't familiar with them. Introduce to people who don't know the thing, so the must-have is simple, but easy to forget. The sentence has to say what a tardigrade actually is. Picture a reader who has never heard the word. From the notes, the basics are that they're microscopic animals, under a millimeter, nicknamed water bears. To the choices, A tells us they've been found on mountaintops and in the ocean. Interesting, but a newcomer still has no idea what a tardigrade is. Set it aside. C leads with surviving the vacuum of space and says unlike most animals, which assumes you already picture the creature. Too advanced for an intro. Strike it. D explains why they're popular in research, skipping the introduction entirely. Out it goes. B says they're microscopic animals nicknamed water bears. That's what they are. B is the answer. B is right because introducing something to a stranger means first saying what it is. The flashy space survival fact in C is the bait. It's true, but you can't open an introduction with the advanced part. Define first. Question 3. Lock the goal. The student wants to emphasize a similarity between the 2 bridges' construction. 2 jobs hide in that line.